Hello grade 8, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today I'm going to do the last part in chapter 5, a type of electrochemical cells. Application 8, which is the correction of the homework. An electrochemical cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy through a chemical redox reaction. Document 1 shows a galvanic cell, electrochemical cell formed of zinc, copper. Number 1. Indicate the nature of the cation X2 plus in solution A. According to the figure, a zinc strip is dipped in solution A, so the cation X2 plus is Zn2 plus. Number 2. The half cathodic equation of this cell is Cu2 plus 2 electrons giving Cu. 2.1. Write the half equation of the reaction occurring at the anode. At the anode, oxidation occurs. So the equation of half reaction occurring at the anode, Zn will lose 2 electrons, forming Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Number 2.2. Deduce the overall equation of the reaction. The half reaction at the anode is Zn giving Zn2 plus 2 electrons. The half reaction at the cathode is Cu2 plus 2 electrons giving Cu. So, in a redox reaction, electrons are conserved. Add the two half reactions and you eliminate the 2 electrons. So, the equation of the overall reaction is Cu2 plus Zn forming Cu plus Zn2 plus. Write the cell representation. We start with the anode. Zn2 plus, salt bridge, Cu2 plus, Cu. Number 4. Justify that the cathode of this galvanic cell becomes thicker after operating for an interval of time. Referring to the half reaction at the cathode, the copper 2 ions, Cu2 plus in the solution, capture electrons at the surface of the cathode copper strip, and they are deposited as copper metal on the surface of this cathode. Hence, the mass of the cathode increases. Number 5. Specify whether the following statements are true or false. 5.1. When the cell is operating, nitrate ions NO3- move towards solution A. True, because the quantity of Zn2 plus ions increases. Because the metal is changing into a cation, Zn2 plus, this would increase the positive charges. For that, the anions NO3- migrate to the anode in order to maintain its electrical neutrality by decreasing the positive charges. So, to keep electrical neutrality in both half cells, the nitrate ions move towards the anode half cell, solution A. 5.2. If the salt bridge is removed, the lamp still shines. False, because the lamp is switched off because the circuit becomes open. 5.3. The spontaneous transfer of electrons occurs in the external circuit. True, because when zinc loses electrons, the electrons would flow through the metallic wire to the copper strip. Number 6. Document 2 shows 4 metals Ag, Cu, Fe and Zn, which are arranged in an increasing order of their tendency to lose electrons. The question is, specify the metal that produces with zinc metal a galvanic cell having the highest voltage. According to document 2, as the difference between the tendency to lose electrons increases, the voltage of the cell increases. So the metal is Ag. Why? Since the difference between the tendency to lose electrons is the highest between the two metals, zinc and silver, then the voltage of their corresponding cell will have the highest value.